In today's video, we are talking about the Dollar Tree charger plates. So many incredible ways you can use these in unique ways and not just as a regular charger. So give this video a big thumbs up, stick around and see all of the fun ways we make these over. Let me know if you have any fun ideas, leave those in the comments down below, but let's go ahead and get on into it. I'm actually shocked with some of the Dollar Tree servingware. They have good pieces, including these trays with the little beading on the edges. It looks just like one of those beaded necklaces without having to try to hot glue it on something and it fall off, but this looks so cool. It gives it such a fun texture. All I did to this was spray paint it with some black matte spray paint to take it from that cheap white plastic look to like a more classy black tray that you can display. This kind of separates the wood, adds in some more decor touches, and looks really nice. This is one of my favorite chargers. Not only is the color perfection with that matte gray finish, the texture on it is really good as well. So I knew I could make something really fun out of this. I had a really fun idea to actually sandwich these together and put some greenery in between them. So that's what we're going to try on this project. These still were just priced at $1.25, which I feel like is a great deal. These are like nice quality. They're not thin and flimsy. I flipped one over. I'm using hot glue just to go really quickly. You could use a stronger adhesive if you'd like to. Place these together, but then I was worried about the black color in between them. I just really didn't want it to be like a dark place. I wanted it to match the tray itself that we're creating, so I actually took some steel color chalk paint which matched perfectly the original matte gray color. Go ahead and paint that just on the outside. You could paint the back of one of these before you glue it together if you wanted to, but I go ahead and just do a layer of that. Didn't even worry about getting it perfect. Let that completely dry and then gluing some greenery inside. And this is such a fun idea. Gives it an elevated look. You could use this as a riser or a tray. This would even be really fun as a cake tray for like an event, but you could go colorful here or leave it greenery and neutral. I popped some little bunnies on top of here, but really cute, adding in more greenery for the warmer seasons. Alright, so someone mentioned that butterflies were everywhere and I hadn't noticed them, but now that they've said it, I've been noticing them everywhere. So Dollar General had some really fun butterfly pieces. I love this one. It is like inside of a gold frame with the blue butterfly on a textured white background. So I wanted to add this to the charger to give this a bigger impact, but I did need some support in the back. So I go ahead, take some tower blocks, glue that directly on the charger, and then apply the little butterfly. This makes it look bigger, which gives it more of a high-end look, a store-bought look, I think, rather than hanging smaller pieces on your walls or your doors. This would also make a really good door hanger. And then the new little planter hanger, the macrame plant hanger from Dollar Tree, works perfect for this. I just glued some of the strands on the back of this charger, secured it with a piece of ribbon glued down, cut away the excess, and you have a hanger ready to go. Really easy to put together and makes a fun piece, and the butterflies are going to be perfect for springtime. The next time you're in Dollar Tree, definitely don't pass over their neat little canvases or wall art section, because you can grab some of these and display them in frames, yes, but on chargers as well. So I like to go ahead and cut it away from the canvas frame itself. I am using something that is circular shape. This paper bowl worked perfect for that. I tried to cut it with an X-Acto knife, but since it was elevated off the table, it didn't work so well. So I did cut it out with scissors. Go ahead and trim that up and then place it on top of the charger. Okay, so I'm using the hack to cover this completely with Elmer's clear glue. So I didn't want to add hot glue to the back of this because I know some of the glue could get underneath of it. So I go ahead and just put on some of the Elmer's glue, glue that down, let it dry a couple seconds, and then flood the top of this with some of the clear glue. And the only thing about it is if you do use epoxy, it's usually dry in about 12 hours, a thin coat. but if you do use the Elmer's clear glue, you do have to give it 24 to 48 hours to completely dry. So let that dry over the top of the canvas, and it just kind of seals it in and makes it look better than if you just glued paper or canvas on top of something. I just feel like it seals it over, gives it more of a finished look. And then I'm adding this wood bead wreath around the edges. It did have a little metal clasp where it connected, but I cut a little bead in half just to cover that up. You could also add in a leaf or a little floral piece, but another fun way to display fun art that you can find really inexpensive. So Dollar Tree is starting to put out all of their Easter and their fun grass-covered bunnies. I love these because you can dupe the Pottery Barn bunnies. I just wanted to share with you guys a really fun way to display these. So just grab a clear tray, go ahead and give that a layer of my favorite color, mineral color chalk paint. Let that dry. I do 2 coats on it, I think, and I think this gives it a fun look. It makes it like clear on the top so the paint's not going to scratch. I have also Mod Podged like fabric to the bottom of plates or chargers like this before, but go ahead and secure down the little bunnies. They had a couple of different styles that I grabbed, and these are like nice made. Like, I was really shocked at the quality of these from Dollar Tree. And then just using a couple of the little Easter picks, I'm just tucking it in and securing it around the little bunnies, and this makes the perfect centerpiece or little decor to put on like a table. It adds in fun color, but the elevated like grass bunnies, I feel like, is totally making this project. You could probably get these at like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, inexpensive if you can't find them. I wouldn't purchase the $25 a piece Pottery Barn ones. Definitely you can get a better deal than that, but just fill in any holes or cracks that you see, and a really fun colorful tray to display just in time for Easter. Alright, so this is one of my favorite times of the year, whenever TJ Maxx and Ross and everyone starts putting out gorgeous greenery, but you need a fun way to display it. So just grab one of these stools from the Dollar Tree. I can only find white at my store, but they do sell black, so if you can find that, just purchase it. But go ahead and give that a couple of coats of black matte spray paint. Let that dry and add a charger to the top. I think the black color looks so classy. I just add a ton of hot glue in between them. Once again, you can use a stronger adhesive if you want to, but just a really neat way to style any plant or greenery that you already have. And I can't believe both of these items come from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so if you see some spring fabric, definitely grab some. This is a really fun, creative way that you can put it to good use. This turquoise with the florals really caught my eye. They have other great options, but this one just screamed Easter and springtime to me. So go ahead, pick up one of these fun chargers with the gold trim. Remove the label. Make sure that you get all the sticky off, because that is going to show up in this project. And then use my Mod Podge. Completely cover this charger. I got out any of the chunks that I found in there, and then put the fabric over the top of this. You want to let it dry before doing a thick layer on the outside. So I let this dry and then cut away any of the excess, and there is going to be a little bit of like you pulling the fabric whenever you cut it, and it might break away a little bit on the edges, so that's why we're flipping it over and just covering the entire thing one more time after that first coat had really dried, because I have noticed in the past you can accidentally seal some in there and it will not dry. It takes a long time, but this way you do it in layers. It turns out really pretty and adds so much fun color to your home. It feels like we finally made it through winter whenever you walk into the Dollar Tree and their Dollar Tree Plus section is full of fun bunny and spring crafts that you can put to good use. This was only $3 for this large bunny head, and I knew it was a great opportunity to put it on top of a charger to make it more of like a door hanger. I have done this with snowman in the past, even have used like a Santa head on top of this, but I thought this was a great way to make a fun spring version. So I'm using just a scrap piece of wood that I had. I think this came from Dollar Tree. Glue it to the back of the charger, leaving a little bit of overhang at the top, enough space that I can glue the bunny head down. But before I glued that down, because I am going to be moving this around and working on it a few more minutes, I did go to my Cricut and cut out Hello Easter. You could skip this part. You could use window clings. Dollar General puts out some gorgeous window clings for each season, as well as Dollar Tree, or Walmart has wall decal stickers all the time that you can use. But go ahead, place that down, glue the bunny head in place, and this looks really fun and makes a large piece. And I'm pretty sure this was like less than $5. Thank you all so much for checking out today's video. It truly means so much to me. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting. Bye.